Good afternoon to all. Myself Shivani Jaiswal, tutor in Index Nursing College. Today my topic presentation in shock and blood transfusions. तो हम पढ़ेंगे तो व्हाट इज शॉक. शॉक होता क्या है. शॉक इज अ सिस्टमेटिक स्टेट ऑफ लो टिश्यू परफ्यूशन दैट इज अ इंडिकेट फॉर नॉर्मल सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन. ठीक है. इसका शॉक इज अ क्रिटिकल कंडीशन brought on by the sudden drop in blood flow through the body. Shock may result from trauma, heat stroke, blood loss, allergic reaction, severe infection, poisoning, severe burn and other cause. When a person is a shock, his her organ don't getting enough blood or oxygen. ठीक है. टाइप्स ऑफ शॉक, हम 4 टाइप्स ऑफ शॉक पढ़ेंगे. देयर आर माइनरली फॉर्म broad categories of shock: distributive, hypovolemic, cardiogenetic and obstructive. The wide range of etiologies can contribute to each of these categories and are manifested by the final outcome of the shock. The main type of shock include cardiogenetic shock, hypovolemic shock, anaphylactic shock, septic shock and neurogenic shock. Cardiogenetic shock due to heart problem, hypovolemic shock caused by too little blood volume, anaphylactic shock caused by allergic reaction, septic shock due to infection, neurogenic shock caused by damage to the nervous system. ठीक है. कॉमन साइन एंड सिम्टम्स ऑफ शॉक इंक्लूड लो ब्लड प्रेशर, अल्टरनेट मेंटल स्टेट इंक्लूडिंग रिड्यूस्ड अलर्टनेस एंड अवेयरनेस, कन्फ्यूजन्स एंड स्लीपनेस. Cold hands and feet may be blue or pale, weak or rapid pulse, rapid breathing and hyperventilations, decreased urine output. Pale, cold, clammy skin, sallow, rapid breathing difficulty, bathing, anxiety and rapid heartbeat. ठीक है. इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ऑर्गन किस किस को यह अफेक्ट करता है. हार्ट, लंग्स, एंडोक्राइन, CNS, ब्लड, रीनल, JF. Classification of shock: hypovolemic shock, cardiogenetic shock, obstructive shock, distributive shock and endocrine shock. Hypovolemic shock. Hypovolemic shock is due to reduced circulating volume. Hypovolemia is probably the most common form of shock. It may be due to hemorrhage and non-hemorrhage cases. Hemorrhage केस में dehydration, vomiting, diarrhea, diabetes. Hypovolemic shock is due to reduced circulating volume. Hypovolemia is probably the most common form of the shock. It may be due to hemorrhage, non-hemorrhagic cause. इसमें dehydration, vomiting, diarrhea and diabetes. Hypovolemic shock is an allergic condition in which severe blood or other fluid loss make the heart unable to pump enough blood to the body. This type of shock can cause by organ to stop working. Hypovolemic shock. ठीक है. cause losing about the fifth or more the normal amount of blood in your body cause hypovolemic shock. Blood loss can be due to bleeding from cuts, bleeding from other injury, internal bleeding such as in the gastrointestinal tract. The amount of circulating blood in your body it also drop when you lose too much body fluid from other cause. This can be due to burns, diarrhea, excessive perspirations of vomiting. ठीक है. द 3 स्टेज ऑफ हाइपोवोलेमिक शॉक. द 3 स्टेज है ना. इरिवर्सिबल, कंपेंसेंट एंड डिकम्पेंसेंट शॉक. ठीक है. कंपेंसेंट शॉक इज द phase of shock is which the body is still able to compensate from absolute to relative fluid loss. During this phase the patient is still able to maintain an adequate blood pressure as well brain perfusion because the systematic nervous system increase the heart and respiratory rates and shunts blood to the core of the body through vasoconstrictions of the blood vessels and microcirculation of the contract and decrease blood flow the area to areas of the body with a high tolerance of decrease in perfusion. Example, the skin. The process actually increase the blood pressure initially because there is a low zoom within the circulatory system. The sign and symptoms of component shock include agitations and anxiety. The earliest sign of hypoxia, polar and clammy skin. This occur because of microcirculation, nausea and vomiting, decrease in blood flow to the system, thus dilated capillary fish, narrowing pulse pressures. ठीक है. Decompostant shock. Decompostant shock is defined as the late phase of shock in which the body's compensatory mechanism, increased heart rate, vasoconstriction, increased respiratory rate, and unable to maintain adequate perfusion to the brain and vital organ. It occurs. The blood volume decreased by more than 30%. The patient compensatory mechanism are actively failing and cardiac output is dropping, resulting in a decrease in both blood pressure and cardiac function to the body and continue the shunt blood to the core of the body, the brain, heart, and kidneys. Decrease both blood pressure and cardiac function, the body will continuing the shunt blood to the core of the body, the brain, heart, and kidney. The things and symptoms of decompostant shock are becoming more obvious, and the increase in vasoconstriction result in hypoxia to the other organ of the body. Because of the decrease in oxygen to the brain, the patient will become confused and destroyed. Alternation in mental station, tachycardia, tachypnea, elaborate and irregular breathing, weak to absent peripheral pulses, and decrease in body temperature, cyanosis. ठीक है. 3 phase irreversible shock. Irreversible shock is a terminal phase of shock, and once the patient progress into the phase shock, and once the patient progress into phase, it is the point to rectum, because there is a rapid deterioration of the cardiovascular system and the patient compensatory mechanism have failed. The patient will present with severe decrease in cardiac output, blood pressure, and issue perfusion. In a last effort to save the core of the body, blood is shunted away from the kidney, liver, and lungs to maintain perfusion of the brain and heart. Treatment. The most important part of treatment is recognition of the event and protectively working in prevent to the progression of shock. As I said earlier, hypovolemic shock is the most commonly encountered from the shock in pre-hospital setting. This makes sense as the most common cause of death of people against 1 to 44 is unilateral injuries. If the patient is bleeding externally, we need to intervene immediately so that we can keep as much blood in the container as possible. If a patient present with sign of internal bleeding, we need to transport to a trauma center for surgical intervention. High flow oxygen is indicated even if the patient to still maintain and has a pulse oximetry of 94% or higher. We know that it is intense in your suspicions of underlying hypoxia, that oxygen can be administered regardless of 1 to pulse oximetry. ठीक है. अब हम नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे कार्डियोजेनेटिक शॉक. कार्डियोजेनेटिक शॉक क्या होता है? कार्डियोजेनेटिक शॉक इज ड्यू टू प्राइमरी फेलियर ऑफ द हार्ट पंप ब्लो टू द टिश्यू, मायोकार्डियल इन्फेक्शन, मायोकार्डियल डिहाइड्रेशनस, वल्कुलर हार्ट डिसीज, ब्लंट मायोकार्डियल इंजुरी, कार्डियोमोपैथी. Pump blood. Cardiogenetic shock is due to primary failure of the heart to pump blood to the tissues, cause myocardial infarction, cardiac dehydration, heart disease, blunt myocardial injury, cardiomyopathy. Cardiogenetic shock is a life-threatening condition in which your heart suddenly stops pumping enough blood to meet your body's need. The condition is most often caused by a severe heart attack, but not everyone who has a heart attack has cardiogenetic shock. Cardiogenetic shock is life-threatening emergencies. It's able of diagnosed right away. It's important to know the warning sign. ठीक है. कॉज करता है व्हाट कॉज कार्डियोजेनेटिक शॉक. अ हार्ट अटैक इज द मोस्ट कॉमन कॉज ऑफ कार्डियोजेनेटिक शॉक. अ सीवियर हार्ट अटैक एंड डैमेज योर हार्ट्स मेन पंपिंग चेम्बर, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल्स. व्हेन दिस हैपन्स योर बॉडी एंड कैन गेट इनफ ऑक्सीजन रिच. ठीक है. कार्डियोजेनेटिक शॉक ट्रीटमेंट हम क्लोट बस्टिंग ड्रग्स सच एज टिश्यू प्लाज्मिनोजन एक्टिवेटर टू डिजोल्व कोरोनरी आर्टरी क्लोट्स, एंटी क्लोटिंग मेडिसिन सच एज एस्पिरिन, clopidogrel of heparin to prevent new clots, drug in increase the heart's pumping ability such as dopamine and norepinephrine. ठीक है. कार्डियोजेनेटिक शॉक कैन रिजल्ट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ कार्डियो डिसफंक्शन: सिस्टोलिक डिसफंक्शन एंड डायसिस्टोलिक डिसफंक्शन, वेलुलर डिस्फेनिया, आरवी इन्फेक्शन, इचेमिया, हाइपोक्सिया, एसिडोसिस. Rapid breathing, severe shortness of breath, sudden rapid heartbeat, loss of consciousness, weak pulse, low blood pressure, sweating, and pale skin. What the cervical cardiogenic shock? Cardiogenic shock is associated with a significant morbidity and mortality rate approach 40 to 60%. Occasionally, bypass surgery is done as emergency treatment surgery to repair an injury to heart. Sometimes an injury such as tear on one heart chamber or a damaged heart valve can cause cardiogenic shock. Early medicine attention may be able to prevent cardiogenic shock and decrease damage to the heart. The condition is fatal. It is left untreated to diagnose cardiogenic shock, and your doctor will complete a physical exam. Risk for cardiogenic shock. Are your risk for cardiogenic shock? Certain factors might increase your risk for cardiogenic shock, as people who are 75 or older have increased risk rates, or Asian Americans and Parafric have a higher risk of cardiogenic shock than other ethnic groups. इसमें हमारा रैपिड ब्रीथिंग, सीवियर शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ, सडन रैपिड हार्ट बीट, लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, low blood pressure, weak sweating and pale skin. Without oxygen-rich blood reaching the brain and other vital organ, your blood pressure drops and your pulse slow. You may have symptoms such as confusion, sweating and rapid breathing. You may also lose consciousness. Most often the cause of cardiogenic shock is severe heart attacks. Emergency advice: treat the cause of shock, lie them down with rigid leg, loosen with clothing, keep them calm and warm. Although the servicing cardiogenic shock is important to 50 to 75% of people don't survive without, and even with treatment the condition can be fatal. Next हम पढ़ेंगे obstructive shock. Obstructive shock, there is reduction is preludes due to mechanical obstruction of cardiac filling, cardiac tamponade tension, massive pulmonary embolus and air ambulance. Obstructive shock is condition that prevent blood and oxygen from getting to your organs to need immediate treatment of the problem that cause the emergency, such as a blood clot. Survival rates of this rate type of shock are better than survival rates of more common types of shock. Example क्या है इसमें? acute pericardial tamponade tension, pulmonary or system hypertension, and congenital of acquired outflow obstruction. It is a caused by mechanism obstruction of blood flow and from the heart, and cause can include tension, cardiac tamponades, and pulmonary embolism of cardiac defect and resulting in left-sided outflow tract obstruction. Sign and symptoms of obstruction. My gate. What are the signs and symptoms of obstructive shock? Individuals with obstructive shock typically experience respiratory distress and may present with tachycardia, hypertension, tachypnea, air hunger, and extreme need to breathe and chest pain. The definition: treatment of obstructive shock caused by tension is needle decompressed and chest tube present to the affected area. Obstructive shock is the use of IV crystalloids of shock, early initiation of vasopressor and norepinephrine the first choice, and add vasopressin in refractory continue IV fluids, but monitor very closely if acute massive pulmonary embolism, thrombolysis. 4 stage. To cover of 4 stage of shock, they include the initial stage, the compensatory stage, the progressive stage, and the refractive stage. Types of cardiogenic shock. Cardiogenic shock can result from the ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव शॉक के हम एग्जाम्पल पढ़ेंगे. एक्यूट पेरिकार्डियल टेम्पोनेट टेंशन, पल्मोनरी एंड सिस्टमेटिक हाइपरटेंशन, कंजेनाइटल एंड एक्वायर्ड आउटफ्लो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन. It is a caused by mechanical obstruction of blood flow and from the heart, and cause and include a tension, cardiac tamponades, pulmonary embolism, cardiac defect resulting in left-sided outflow tract obstruction. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव शॉक. अब हम पढ़ेंगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव शॉक. What is distributive shock? Distributive shock describes the pattern of cardiovascular response characterizing a variety of conditions including septic shock, anaphylaxis, and spinal cord injury. Adequate organ perfusion is accompanied by vascular dilatation with the hypertension, low systemic vascular assistance, inadequate afterload, and a resulting abnormally high cardiac output. Distributive shock or vasodilatory shock is a medical emergency where your body cannot enough blood to your heart, brain and kidney. This happens because your blood vessels are extremely dilated, which brings down your blood pressure and cut down how much blood can get to organ. The main type of shock of including cardiogenetic shock, hypovolemic shock, anaphylactic shock, septic shock and neurogenic shock. ठीक है. Distributive shock is difficult to recognize because the signs and symptoms vary greatly depending on the etiology. Common symptoms include tachypnea, tachycardia, low to normal blood pressure, decreased urine output and decreased level of consciousness. Cardiac features of distributive shock include the following: change in mental station, heart rate greater than 19 beats per minute. Note then heart rate elevations to note evidence if the patient is on beta blockers, hypertension, systolic blood pressures less than 19 mmHg or reduction of 40 mg/h from baseline. Hypovolemic shock related to the blood and fluids compartment, while distributive shock related to vascular system. Cardiogenetic shock is areas from primary cardiac dysfunction and obstructive shock areas from blockage of the circulation. Cause of distributive shock: sepsis, anaphylaxis, burn, pancreatitis, toxic shock syndrome, spinal cord injury, endocrine disorder, adrenal insufficiency. There are mainly four broad categories of shock: distributive, hypovolemic, cardiogenetic and obstructive. The wide range of etiologies and contributing to each these categories and are manifestation by the final outcome of the shock. The most common etiology of distributive shock is sepsis. Other causes include the following: due to infection conditions such as pancreatitis, burns and trauma. The initial management of distributive shock is to increase intravascular volume. The intent is to provide enough volume to overcome the inappropriate distribution of exciting volume, as with hypovolemic shock administered to 20 ml per kg of fluid as blouse over 50 to 80 10 minutes and repeat needed. अब endocrine shock. Endocrine shock may present as a combination of hypovolemic, cardiogenetic of distributive shock cause hypo and hypothyroidism, adrenal insufficiency. The development of shock initiated causes by response is an effort to homeostasis 3 of the most important normal and neuroformal changes to the secretion of glucocorticoids, catecholamines and vasopressin. Regular of adrenal function is much more complex than originally thought. ठीक है. अब 3 types of endocrine shock. Adrenal insufficiency. Adrenal glands located on top of the kidney produced various hormones. Congenital adrenal hyperplasia, hyperaldosteronism, osteoporosis, pituitary disorder, thyroid disorders. And common endocrine disorder: diabetes is a condition that causes high blood glucose level due to the body being unable to either produce or your insulin sufficiency to regular glucose. Hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, Cushing syndromes, aeromegaly. Four major endocrine condition. Type of endocrine disorder: adrenal insufficiency. The adrenal gland releases too little of the hormone cortisols and sometimes aldosterone. Cushing disease: overproduction of pituitary gland hormone lead to an overactive adrenal gland and other growth hormone problems. Hyperthyroidism. ब्लड टेस्ट ऑफ एंडोक्राइन डिसऑर्डर्स में आएगा डायबिटीज़ टू डेमेट टाइप 1 डायबिटीज़ 2 डायबिटीज़ एंडोक्राइन जेनेसी परफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग ब्लड टेस्ट ग्लाइकेटेड हेमोग्लोबिन दिस ब्लड टेस्ट मेजर द शुगर लेवल इन द ब्लड एंड रेंडम ब्लड शुगर टेस्ट इज प्लस द मेजर टू द शुगर इन लेवल द ब्लड. अब हम क्लिनिकल फीचर्स पढ़ेंगे शॉक के. साइन एंड सिम्टम्स एंड शॉक वेरी डिपेंडिंग एंड सर्क्यूमेंशन में इंक्लूड कूल क्लेमी स्किन, पेल हो जाती है स्किन। उसके बाद रैपिड पल्स, रैपिड ब्रीथिंग, नोजिया और वॉमिटिंग, एनलार्ज ऑफ पिपल्स, वीकनेस ऑफ फटीग। स्टेज ऑफ शॉक। स्टेज ऑफ शॉक में हम इनिशियल, नॉन प्रोग्रेसिव एंड प्रोग्रेसिव एंड रिफ्रैक्टरी, तो द 3 phases ऑफ शॉक इन रिवर्सिबल कंपोनेंट एंड डिकम्पोज शॉक, restlessness, ignition of anxiety, the earliest sign of hypoxia, polar and clammy skin. This occur because of microcirculation, nausea and vomiting, decrease in blood flow, the GI system, thirst, delight, capillary on refill। ठीक है, 4 स्टेज ऑफ शॉक होते हैं। इनिशियल स्टेज, द कंपोनेंट्री स्टेज, प्रोग्रेसिव, द स्टेज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टरी। ठीक है, 2 मिनट। स्टेजेस ऑफ शॉक। स्टेजेस ऑफ शॉक में हम पढ़ेंगे इनिशियल, द सेल्स बिकम लैकी एंड स्विच टू एनारबिक मेटाबॉलिज्म, नॉन प्रोग्रेसिव कंपोनेंट स्टेज, अल्टेम्प्ट टू करेक्ट द मेटाबॉलिक